While the celebrations of Independence Day have begun in the country with the hoisting of the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and the key address delivered by the Prime Minister in the morning, a simple question has left the people confused. We are once again confronted with a math-related conundrum amidst all the celebrations, just like every year. But with the announcement of the beginning of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav last year and the countdown of 75 weeks which followed has left the netizens wondering whether India is celebrating its 75th or 76th Independence Day. We are sure the same question might have created confusion in some of your minds as well. So which Independence Day is this exactly? The answer lies in the simple math. After fighting against the Britishers who dominated and controlled India for over 200 years, and with the brilliant efforts of the freedom fighters and the leaders back then, India gained independence from the Britishers on August 15, 1947 and celebrated its first Independence Day. A year later, that is on August 15, 1948, India completed 1 year of freedom from the British and 1 year of independence, but its second Independence Day. Similarly, 10 years later, that is on August 15, 1957, India celebrated its 10th year of independence, but the 11th Independence Day. Putting a rest to all the confusion, this year, that is on August 15, 2022, India is celebrating its 75th year of independence or 75th anniversary of independence, but its 76th Independence Day. The celebrations for this very 75th anniversary of independence began last year as the countdown of 75 weeks began on March 12, 2021 with the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, under the aegis of which grand celebrations, several events and campaigns were organized for 75 weeks to celebrate independence and the glorious history of India's people, culture and achievements.